Tammy Slaton, one of the most recognizable figures from the TLC hit series 1000 LB Sisters, has captivated the hearts of millions since she first appeared on television alongside her sister, Amy Slaton. From the earliest episodes filled with laughter, struggle, and raw emotion, Tammy's journey has been anything but easy. As she reaches what many now refer to as her final journey, a phase filled with reflection, transformation, and deeply personal reckoning, the world watches with a complex mix of pride, grief, and hope. Tammy's life has never followed a conventional path. Born in Kentucky and raised in a household where food was love, comfort, and often the only escape, she battled her weight from a very young age. While her sister Amy managed to find brief escapes and temporary victories through marriage and motherhood, Tammy's relationship with her body became increasingly dire over time. Her size, health issues, and emotional struggles often kept her trapped, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Yet despite the darkness, Tammy's story is one of undeniable human resilience. The Tammy viewer met in season 1 was often combative, withdrawn, and in denial. But she was also painfully human, raw, vulnerable, and burdened with years of unhealed trauma. She lashed out at those closest to her, including Amy, Chris, and her beloved late mother. But as the show progressed and as Tammy's health reached critical lows, something began to shift. Behind the oxygen tanks, mobility aids, and constant medical emergencies, the world saw glimpses of a woman who wanted, desperately, to live. Tammy's turning point came after multiple failed attempts at weight loss, a series of toxic relationships, and one particularly harrowing hospital stay where she was placed in a medically induced coma. That near-death experience changed her. As she later recounted through tears in an emotional confessional, she saw herself from the outside, saw the pain her choices caused her family, and saw the life she was letting slip away. In that moment, Tammy began what would become the most determined chapter of her life. She enrolled in a weight loss rehabilitation center, this time not just to appease her doctors or producers, but because she had finally made the decision for herself. Fans who had once written her off as difficult or self-destructive began to rally behind her transformation. Her social media, once filled with criticism, soon overflowed with messages of encouragement and solidarity. Viewers saw a woman emerging from a lifetime of pain, fighting not just for her health, but for her identity. The weight began to come off. Slowly, painstakingly, but it did. More importantly, Tammy's mindset began to change. Her laughter came more easily. Her apologies to loved ones sounded sincere and reflective. She grew closer to Amy, who had once distanced herself out of frustration. Their bond, though still imperfect, rekindled with a new sense of mutual respect. Tammy even began mending her relationship with her half-brother Chris, who had long served as her biggest cheerleader and harshest critic. In one of the most poignant moments of the series, Tammy stood up from her wheelchair without assistance for the first time in years. The look on her face, a mixture of disbelief, pride, and pure joy, brought audiences to tears. It wasn't just about walking. It was about reclaiming a piece of her life that she had thought was lost forever. It was about standing tall in every sense of the word. But Tammy's journey was never just about the weight. It was about self-worth. About healing wounds that had festered for decades. About confronting the uncomfortable truths of addiction, depression, and grief. When her husband Caleb Willingham tragically passed away not long after their wedding, Tammy was faced with one of the deepest losses of her life. The grief was overwhelming, but this time, instead of retreating into food or isolation, she reached out. She leaned on therapy, on faith, on family. She showed fans what it meant to mourn with grace and courage. Tammy began speaking openly about mental health, advocating for others who struggle with eating disorders and body dysmorphia. She used her platform not for spectacle, but for service. She shared the ugly days, the setbacks, the tears. And in doing so, she transformed from a reality TV figure into something far more powerful, a symbol of unfiltered perseverance. As she approaches what she now calls her final journey, Tammy isn't talking about an end, but a new beginning. This phase isn't about surgeries, step goals, or diet charts. It's about legacy, about peace, about living, truly living, in a way she never thought possible. She has spoken candidly about wanting to write a memoir, to travel, to perhaps adopt children, or mentor others battling obesity. Her dreams are no longer constrained by her body, her past, or the opinions of the world. Yet the road remains hard. Tammy still has days when getting out of bed is a battle. She still faces harsh online scrutiny and public curiosity that can feel invasive. But she's no longer fighting to prove something to others. She's fighting for her own future. In one recent episode, Tammy looked into the camera and said, "I used to think I wasn't worth saving. Now I know I am." That sentence, simple yet profound, encapsulates the essence of her final journey. She is no longer the woman defined by her weight, her oxygen tubes, or her viral TikToks. She is a woman who has fought through hell and come out the other side, not untouched, but unbroken. The Slayton family, once fractured by tension and miscommunication, has slowly found their way back to one Annette. Amy continues to raise her children with humor and heart. Chris remains a source of steady wisdom. Even Amanda and Mishti, often background characters in the early seasons, have stepped forward with their own messages of strength and support. Together, they are redefining what it means to be a family, flawed, messy, but united. The show's producers have hinted that upcoming seasons may follow new storylines or even explore spin-offs. But no matter what happens on screen, Tammy's real story will continue off camera. She may not be at the end of her road, but she is certainly on the most meaningful part of it. Tammy Slayton has never claimed to be a hero. She's made mistakes. She's been stubborn, angry, and self-destructive. But she has also been brave, vulnerable, and brutally honest. In a world obsessed with perfection and quick fixes, Tammy offers something far more valuable: truth. Her final journey is not a farewell, but a rebirth. And for fans who have walked beside her, cried with her, rooted for her, and sometimes been disappointed by her, this moment feels like something sacred. As Tammy Slayton steps into this new chapter, she carries with her not just the scars of the past, but the strength of survival. And if there's one thing she's proven, it's that it's never too late to change, to heal, or to begin again. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.